How to add trust badges to Shopify store. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can add to Shopify store. In order to add trust badges to Shopify store, you'll need to first of all log in into your dashboard page. Here you'll be able to see this kind of icon. So right at the bottom in the left hand side bar, go ahead and tap on add apps. As soon as you've done that, you'll be able to see a pop-up menu right in front of your screen. You'll need to scroll down right to the bottom. Once again, go ahead and tap on a link that is Shopify App Store. This is going to direct you to the other interface. So here you can see right on top there's a search bar. On the search box, you'll need to type in trust badges pair. It's going to redirect you to the results section. Here you'll be able to see multiple. You'll need to select the particular one. You can just go ahead with the trust badges pair. It's going to take you to this page where you'll need to first of all install the badges. So for that, tap on the install button located right underneath the badges name. So once again, you'll need to go ahead and tap on install app in the upper right hand side corner. After that, you'll need to wait for some time. First of all, you need to enable it by tapping on the enable button. As you can see that the trust badges has been enabled. Now over here, you can customize it as you wish. So you can see first of all, you have header settings or header text. You can just change it with this also, that you can also change the font if you want to do it with other things. After you've done that, you can also change the alignment, whether you want to do it in the left hand side or on the right hand side or right in between. You can also change the font size, all that. You can go through it, and you can also change the color and all that. So basically you can go through it all. You can see that you can just make it mono or maybe original and all that. So you can go through it all and explore all of it. After you've done that, you'll need to click on the save button, which will be located right on top. You'll need to tap on the save button. After that, you need to refresh your application and you might be able to fix your issue. So in this way, you can add trust badges to Shopify store. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.